Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider one of the best rose gold rings on the market, the Greenpod Tungsten Wedding Band. If you're searching for a stylish, durable, and affordable ring that can be worn every day, this might just be the perfect option for you. This ring is crafted from tungsten carbide, a material known for its incredible hardness and scratch resistance. Unlike traditional metals, tungsten doesn't bend or lose its shape easily, making it an excellent choice for a wedding band or promise ring that needs to withstand the rigors of daily wear. The Greenpod ring comes in multiple widths including 2mm, 4mm, and 6mm, allowing you to choose a size that fits your style. Whether you prefer something subtle and slim or a bit more noticeable. One of the standout features of this ring is the rose gold finish. While it's not traditional rose gold in composition, the polished coating gives a warm, elegant tone that complements both men and women. It's versatile enough to pair with other jewelry or to wear on its own as a statement piece. The design is simple and timeless with a smooth, comfort-fit interior that makes slipping it on and off effortless. The comfort fit is a big plus for those who wear their rings all day, as it reduces any irritation or tightness on the finger. The ring also shines in its stackability. Because of its slim profile, it pairs beautifully with other rings, allowing you to create your own layered look, whether as knuckle rings, midi rings, or classic wedding bands. This flexibility makes it a great gift for anniversaries, engagements, or even just to treat yourself. In terms of size options, the Greenpod Tungsten Wedding Band is available in a wide range from size 4 up to 13, catering to almost everyone. This broad sizing availability means finding your perfect fit is easier, so you don't have to worry about it being too tight or too loose. The packaging is compact and lightweight, making it convenient for gifting or storage. With its polished finish and hypoallergenic properties, this ring is designed to be both stylish and skin-friendly, suitable for people with sensitive skin. Overall, the Greenpod Tungsten Wedding Band combines durability, comfort, and style at an accessible price point. Its scratch-resistant nature ensures it will maintain its shine and shape through everyday activities, from washing hands to working out. If you want a ring that is low maintenance yet elegant, this ring is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in this ring or want to explore more options, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. See you next time.